Beetles eating your plants and fruits is one of the things that can happen in the garden. After weeks of growing, beetles can destroy your plant within a few weeks. Today I'm going to share with you this one powerful liquid that will kill all the beetles on your plants. And this liquid is called spinosad. I've tried hand picking, I've tried companion planting, and I even tried using neem oil, but nothing worked as fast and reliable as spinosad. If you never heard of it, here's what you need to know. Spinosad is a naturally derived insecticide. It is made from the fermentation of soil-dwelling bacterium called
Saccharopolyspora spinosa.
Spinosad is organically approved, highly effective, and safer for beneficial insects when used correctly. So how does it work? When beetles ingest spinosad, either from feeding on treated leaves or getting it on their bodies, it disrupts their nervous system. They stop feeding almost immediately and die within 24 to 48 hours. It's particularly effective against the larvae stage of the beetles, which by the way is where most of the damage happens on your plants. What I love about spinosad is that it doesn't harm the environment and the liquid will break down quickly in the sunlight or rain. So pollinators and beneficial insects won't get harmed. I regret not using spinosad earlier because the beetles have absolutely destroyed all of my plants in the previous years. So now that you know about how powerful this liquid is, let's go on how to make it and how to apply it. The first thing to making a liquid is to choosing the right product. I'm using the Monterey Garden Insect Spray. This spray costs about $25 for 8 fluid ounces or 236.6 milliliters. If you're going to buy another brand of spinosad, make sure spinosad is listed as the active ingredient in it. But I highly recommend this product. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it on Amazon. Before we start, it's important to make things clear that I do not have cucumber beetles as the title says. But what I do have are a whole lot of potato beetles, and those are basically the same thing. Spinosad will work on any kind of beetles, including ladybugs, which I'll explain on how to avoid killing the ladybugs in a few minutes. To make a spray, you're going to use a 1 liter bottle filled with some water. For every 1 liter of water, you want to put 1 tablespoon of spinosad in it. I filled my water bottle to about halfway because we already removed a lot of the potato beetles by hand. I'm going to put half a tablespoon in. Might need a little more. I'll put up on the screen the measurements for different ratios so you can see which one you need depending on how bad the infestation is. We're going to mix it up well and let's get spraying. So I got some potato beetles larvae here, and it's very important that you spray in the very early morning or in the evening because spinosad is harmful to bees and beneficial insects like ladybugs. Right now it's evening time, and at this time they are less active and are sleeping. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the beetles. Make sure to get also on the underside of the leaves as well, because that's where beetles, like the tiny larvae, like to hide. So I'm going to go ahead on all my potato plants that have the beetles on it and spray it. Another reason that we want to apply it early in the morning or in the evening is because spinosad breaks down very quickly when exposed to the sun. So by spraying it in the evening, you'll have a better chance to killing the beetles. One application of spinosad will kill majority of the larvae and beetles within a day. In really bad infestations though, you'll want to repeat the application every 3 to 5 days until there are no more beetles. 1 or 2 treatments of spinosad is usually enough to get them back under control where you can pick them off. We are going to wait until tomorrow to see what has become of the potato beetles on the plants. All the potato bugs are gone. Not one on the plant that we sprayed. And if I look down, you can see a potato beetle that is slowly dying. So this method of using spinosad works effectively against any kind of beetles. Now another method to repel pests is by using flowers. So watch this video next to see what flowers you can grow to reduce the pests in your garden.